For the past 3 weeks, I've been locked away in a dark room, and I just kept farming on my DeFi pet, and I only ate macaroni and cheese, so I am heavily constipated. But today, well, 24 hours ago, they finally released the fucking forest. What's it called? The happy forest, yes, where you can go and make your animals happy. So let's see what it is. So I got these boys, but you need evolved pets, and you can only breed evolved pets. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is evolve a bunch of my pets, because I've leveled them all up, but haven't evolved them. So let's see what this guy's gonna look like. What's this? So they changed some. Oh damn! Yeah, they changed the stats on the dudes to more better represent the PvP. Blah blah blah. Something something. Anyway, different stats. So let's see what this boy's gonna be like when he's all grown up. When he's all grown up. When when he's when he's when he's all. Oh, okay, okay. Interesting, interesting. All right, I should probably evolve something that's more. That smells garbage. Hmm. Hmm. Slightly better only. And why are these all shit? Okay, I guess this one's kind of alright as well. So my plan here is to make a bunch of inbred pets, right? Because you have two parents, so I make them do it twice, have two kids, and then I'll make the kids do it, and bada bing, bada boom, you have an army of inbreds. And I think that just sounds fantastic. That's a shitty one. Bruh, where are the good ones? Fine, let me see what this guy's gonna look like. Oh, skills. Reveal soon. Oh, spicy. Wait a minute. Am I recording? Oh, it's a bee. Okay, so I'll leave it for that for now. I'll try to make some random pets fuck it out, because a lot of people having a lot of issues and bugs, and sometimes their pets just fucking disappear. So I'll make this dude do it. So there's a breed count as well. I don't know how many times you can breed the animal, and I'll make these two guys breed it out. What is this? Okay, all right. So they're both Gen 0. Also, once you make them have babies, big strong babies, the babies are gonna be stronger than their parents, right? So that's why it's 5, which is almost double from just getting a new pet. But if you breeded them, they are much stronger. So what you're telling me is I'm gonna have 1 minute now to go and hit my bong? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what this is? Okay. Well, I'll be right back. Oh, it's a countdown. What is gonna happen? It's my first time doing it. I haven't checked out anything since. Okay, gas is required to hatch. Okie dokie. What is it? What is it? Um. Hmm. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I have to hatch it again. Oh my god! Just show me, man. Okay. Okay. Oh, what the fuck is this? What the what? What the? What in the? Why? Why? All right, I'll risk it. I'll risk it. I'll go with my rare pets. Hopefully, I do not get fucked. Where are they? Which ones are my rare ones? Okay, so it's this boy. Oh, this is the Gen 1. All right, so this guy, I think. Yeah, yeah. And then another spider, bro. This guy? Shine, motherfucker. No. It's not that boy. What about this boy? Is it the same boy? Fuck. This guy? Yeah. Okay, red and yellow. What's it gonna be? All right, and now we wait and smoke. And that is how babies are made. Now let's see if we have an ugly baby or a pretty baby. Come on. Tap, tap, tap. And the garbage. Wow. It's not shining. Oh my god. Hmm. Oh my god. Okay, okay, new plan. I'm gonna look for some pets who have a bunch of shit on them. So this guy has the sunglasses and the wings. Um, wings and sunglasses. Sunglasses, necklace. All right, I'm gonna look around, see which one's the best, and then I'm gonna get back. Okay, I'm gonna do these two. 2 minutes. I'm gonna go fucking eat, bro. All right, well, let's see what it is. Well, it has wings, it has horns, it has sunglasses, it has a necklace. It's pretty buffed out. And not the best, but not the worst. Okay, so let me see if I level this guy up. Can I do Gen 1 with Gen 0? Come on. Okay, yeah, that's pretty pimped, bruv. So, so you can only do children with children. Alright, so I'm gonna do this guy then again. And might as well go for the inbred scenario. Who did I pair it with? Fuck. Forgot. The rare one, right? Oops, not you. I think it was the other rare one. Yeah. Okie dokie. 5 minutes. Oh, maybe the higher the breed count, the longer it takes, I guess, maybe? Alright, so I think it was these two. So I'm gonna make 2 kids and then see if I can, have some inbred children. Alright, show me the money. It doesn't look shiny to me. It does not. That is very garbage, but I'm gonna level him up and evolve him and see if I can do anything with that. Okay, so if I go down to children, yes, I can make them. I can have my inbred children. Wait a minute. Where is it? What? Wait. Oh, I think they need, because it's this guy. Oh, sibling. Oh no. So you can't. All right. I'll do a different one. Well, guys, bad news. This update sucks. You can't have inbred children. Like, what the fuck? Who does that? Why? Hmm. All right. Well, I'm gonna level this guy up and try that. All right. So I'm gonna make some more children because all the ones that I have are garbage. So I'm gonna try and get something less garbage. So let's see if we make a tiger and a fucking dragon fuck it out. How will that fucking baby look like? I am genuinely curious if a dragon and a tiger fuck, what that baby's gonna look like. Tiger dragon? A dragon tiger? Okay, well, I'm running out of D-pad tokens and I haven't gotten shit so far. Okay, looks funky, but it's garbage. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so shit. Oh my god, it hurts my soul. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna try one more. Alright, let's see what you get if you do it with a spider and a tiger. Who will be the dominant gene? Oh wow. 8.5 minutes. What can I do for 8.5 minutes? Hmm. All right. Well, let me just close a few unrelated tabs here. Just give me a second. There we go. All right. Got the egg. I forgot what I was doing. This guy looks funky fresh, but not shiny. And I want shiny, not funky fresh. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, there he is. Garbage. But, okay. So I'll do this one. It's pretty trash. But as a last breathing, I will evolve this boy and pair him up with the other boy and see what happens there. Oh, pretty funky looking, dude. Okay, so I have this guy, and who the fuck else was it? Shit. Oh, wait, get out of here, man. This guy? But he's not evolved. Wait, is he? He is. What the fuck? How is this the evolution? Okay, well, anyway. Oh, so they're still fucking siblings. Really? Oh my god. Okay, well, I can do Gen 1 with Gen... Oh, this guy's a Gen 1 as well. Oh, wait, no, never mind. It's breed count 1. Okay. This guy? Alright, well, I'm gonna try this one more, and I guess that's about it with breeding for now until I look more into it. Okay, what is it? Show me the money shot. Okay, this is garbage. This is very garbage. Yeah, that's okay. So you saw it here first, folks. A bunch of trash evolutions. I'll look more into it, see if you can get any better odds with pairing specific types of shit. But as far as I know, you just have a chance to get the items that the parents have on the pet. I don't fucking know. But that's the happy forest, I guess. You make him fuck. And the Gen 1s supposedly are better than the Gen Zeros, and every generation gets stronger, I think. So back to business, I guess.